Welcome back. Activist turned Congressman Sudip Tamhankar has alleged that Parrikar-led government is trying to hush up the special economic zone scam and save heavyweights involved in the scam. Tamhankar has demanded clarification from Chief Minister Parrikar on this issue.
Tamhankar was speaking at a media conference on Monday. He suspects foul play in the complaint registered with the Vigilance Department over the SEZ scam, as the complaint was registered within a day. The General Secretary of Goa Private Bus Owners Association also alleged that the government is interfering in the working of Vigilance Department.
मंदार शिरोडकर म्हणून 18 तारखेक 17 ऑगस्टाक जी कंप्लेंट घातली आयडीसी SEZच्या घोटाळ्यान आयडीसीचो एम्प्लॉई आसा 17 तारखेक जेन्ना ऑगस्टाची कंप्लेंट घातली आनी दुसरे दिसा 18 ऑगस्टाक कंप्लेंट रजिस्टर केल्या विजिलन्स डिपार्टमेंटान. आमी सदांच आवाज उठयता की 50-60 ऑलरेडी कंप्लेनी दक्षता खात्या कडेन पडलेल्यो आसा आनी त्यो रजिस्टर जायना आनी 17 तारखेची कंप्लेंट 18 तारखेक रजिस्टर जाता म्हणजे आश्चर्याची गोष्ट अशी आसा. आनी हांव प्रत्येक फावटी आरोप करतालो की सरकाराचो हस्तक्षेप हितून जाता दक्षता खात्याचेर. आयडीसीन ज्या प्रमाणान घोटाळे पळय जाल्ले, मुख्यमंत्री मनोहर पर्रीकाराक सगळ्यांची नांवां सकट खबर आहा कोण कोण मनीस हितून घुसपाल्लेले आसले. पुणून तरी आसतना अननोन मनशाचेर खंय तरी हो भुरगो कंप्लेंट घालता मंदार शिरोडकार म्हणटा पळय तो, आनी ती रजिस्टर करपाचो प्रयत्न जाता सरकाराचे वाटेन. आनी हितून खंय तरी गोंयकारांचो पळय जो जमनी गेल्ले आहा, सरकाराचो पयसो पळय जितून लॉस जाल्लो आहा सरकाराक रेव्हेन्यू, हो खंय तरी सगळें प्रकरण डांबपाचो आनी कोणाक तरी वाटोवपाचो प्रयत्न हितूनसून जाता असो स्पश्टपणान हांव आरोप करता आनी जाहीर मागणी करता की मुख्यमंत्र्यान हेचेर स्पश्टीकरण दिवचें.
Our video journalist Devendra Gaonkar for Prudent Media.
Comunidad committee members at Murgaon are not happy with the government. Committee members claim that they are being made to run from pillar to post. They have blamed the South Goa administrator for not taking any action against the illegalities under political pressure. The annoyed members have demanded either to regularize the illegal structure on Comunidad land or demolish them.
गव्हर्नमेंटान जे कितें पावर कमिटीक दिल्ले आशिल्ले ते सगळे काढून घेतलेले आसा आनी कोमुनिदादी जी कमिटी आसा ती बेश्टी नांवां पुरती आसा. तेणी खाली पोस्टमॅनाचें काम करपाचें. इलिगलिटी थांबयात आनी तेजेर एक तर ती रेग्युलायज करून तितून आमकां रेवन्यू वाडोवपाक दिया नाल्यार ती मोडा तरी.
He says that the members of committee have no powers to act upon. Naik shared his experience of political interference in saving illegal structures on the Comunidad land.
मोइन बुदिनो आशिल्लो ताणें एक लेटर केल्लें CMाक आनी तेजेर तेणें म्हणलेलें आसा की इलिगल आसा ती घरां सगळीं तेणें गेली ते गांवचे लोक आनी तांकां सेफगार्ड करचे आनी तेणें एक्स CM जो आमचो दिगंबर कामत बाब आशिल्लो ताका धाडलें आनी ताणें हेजेर एक नोट मारला एडमिनिस्ट्रेटराक की प्लीज डिस्कस द केस रिफरेड एबाव विथ मी बिफोर टेकिंग एनी एक्शन. जाल्यार अशी जर ते कॉपी दिवपाक एडमिनिस्ट्रेटराक धाडले आनी कलेक्टर धाडले जाल्यार ते ऑफिसर म्हणून कशें एक्शन घेतले.
म्हणजे सगळं पॉलिटिकली
मोटिवेटेड जाला म्हणजे हे कित्याक लागून दिता हांकां वोट बँक जाल्ले आसा.
Administrator of Comunidad is a government servant and appointee. Actually, the officer should be recommended by Comunidad body.
And also I would like to make it very clear that the administrator who is appointed he's a government servant. He will listen to the ministers. As per the code, the administrator is to be proposed by the Comunidad and appointed by the government, but should be paid by the Comunidad itself, not a government servant.
Our reporter from Vasco, Surendra Matkekar.
Agitated locals blocked road at Fatorda on Sunday. They are annoyed with the bad condition of the road. They planted sapling in the potholes. They have demanded immediate solution. While government is hell-bent on enforcing two-helmet rule for road safety, people are agitating for motorable roads. Watch this report.
The scene was witnessed at Fatorda on Sunday. The agitated locals from Fatorda planted saplings in the potholes on the roads. They complained that there are frequent accidents in the area due to damaged and bumpy roads. The situation heated as the pillion rider fell down from the moving bike as she tumbled in the pothole.
More than 2-3 years. Now nobody is going to repair it. Who is going to repair it?
कितले लोक मेले हांगा कोणूच एक्शन केन्ना घेयना. खड्डे मारता वयता खड्ड्याचे ते भरिना न्हू प्रॉब्लेम.
They demand permanent solution. A reporter from Fatorda, Savio Dice for Prudent Media.
Photojournalist Association of Goa, in association with the Directorate of Information and Publicity, celebrated World Photography Day on Sunday at Kala Akademi. On the occasion, Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar felicitated former and senior photojournalists and presented mementos and certificate to the winners of photo competition.
Along with the Chief Minister, Director of Information and Publicity Menino Piris, Member Secretary of Kala Akademi Shrikant Barve, President of Photojournalist Association of Goa Umesh Banastarkar and other dignitaries were present for the function. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar praised journalists for their good work. CM says, photos express better than the text.
एक कमाल अशी हा की एक लहान फोटोग्राफ कितल्याशा प्रमाणाचेर बरयल्ल्या शब्दापेक्षा चड दाखोवन वता. हांगा एक फोटोग्राफर आहात आनी हांव मुख्यमंत्री गेल्या पळय आसतना पुलिशीन थंय हांव सद्दां वचून त्या हातून एंटरटेनमेंट सोसायटीन थंय मिटींग बी वतालो फर्स्ट फिल्म फेस्टिवलाच्या वेळार. म्हजी गाडी पार्क केली, पुलिशीन त्या सगळ्या रस्त्याचेर नो पार्किंगचे बोर्ड हाडले उखलून पोटले आनी म्हज्या गाडये मारून दवरले. दुसऱ्या एका पेपराचेर फोटो मुख्यमंत्र्याची गाडी नो पार्किंग होती. फोटो म्हणून ताणें बरो काडलो. फोटोग्राफर कितें करूंक शकता ताजे हांवें हे घेतली. हांव केन्नाय इरिटेट जावना आसलो इतलो हांव इरिटेट जालो.
Senior video journalist Tulsidas Chari for Prudent Media.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.